Hi everyone, it's your girl Luna here. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to program using loops. What loops are the sense of repetition in your program. What makes your program repeat itself. So in Java, there are three types of loops: while, do while, and for loops. Do while and whiles are pretty similar. The only difference is with the do while, it will at least run your program once before it starts to repeat until the condition is met. While with while, it will continuously run the loop until the condition is met or the statement is false. And for the for loop, for loops are where you have a condition and the condition will stay true until it becomes false. So that's pretty much the difference between the three. So the first loop I will show you guys is the for loop. So int 11 for not int 11, I meant like a variable, int equals x. There we go. So int equals 2. I is less than or equal to n. Oh, it's x, I'm sorry. System dot and that's it. So let me save and let's run it. Whoops. Well, let me extend this. As you guys can see, it repeats it, but let me adjust something. So I'm gonna put ln and then space out some of these. So let's try that again. So save and then run again. There we go. So it repeats itself. So since I set I equal to 2, well, that's like a starting number. And it will continuously add up until it's greater than or equal to x. In this case, our x is 11. So that's one way you can do it. Another way you can do it, similar to this, if you want to start from a certain number and continuously add to the number until you want to reach another number. So let's start. So let's change this to 2. And then within this, so it's just I. So you see it just run it once. So if I change the numbers to, let me do 12. And let's save and run this again. So that's a way you can, like, if you want your program to add up numbers until you reach a number you set. So like this. Another way you can show this if you want to add numbers. So let me set X. So let me keep this per, but let me shift this down to int. So for this one, so int sum equals 0. So save. As you can see, it will continuously add from like the previous number. So this is one way. This is one form of loop. The next one I'm going to show you guys is to do while. So let me get rid of this. So do while x is less than 40. There. So the program will run at least once. Let's see what happens if I do together. This might make more sense actually. So yeah, it will run the program at least once. It will continue to run the program until the condition is met. Or if you have a phrase, you can like set it. So if you have a phrase, it will continue to run the program until you say the complete opposite. So like it'll say, while I say yes, run this. But when you say no, it will end the program. And then lastly, I'll show you guys the while loop. So while x is less than or equal to 20, then sum will equal the sum of the previous number plus x. Now let's see how this one looks. So with the for and do loop, as you guys can see, it's you don't see a repetition of, like, you guys don't see a repetition. This one will just continue to run inside the program until the condition is met. So it won't show you all your results. So that will show the difference between the do while loop and the while loop. In programming, when you're coding, it is possible to combine at least actually all three programs. Well, you can combine all three into like one program, which I will gladly show in another video. Until then, if you guys like today's video, please like and comment. If you guys want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye everyone.